the last bits of the long, long ago variation, you do have this part right here. And this part of your music, exactly right here actually, right here. And this is what I want to talk to you about. You need to treat that bit like you're blowing and you're using your tongue. And so there's no stopping of the breath. So it's the same thing. We're blowing. And so if you need to, that's what it is. It's a continuous out motion. You actually don't blow, you only blow, so that's something I suggest you do. Tap into your skill you developed prior to cello. Do whatever you want to do, but do that little articulation with your mouth and your tongue to see if that translates into better push. So try just with an open string, because it's an open string that we're talking about. It's this open string. So this is the only problem of concern is this open string. So down bow, ta, 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 ta. So don't pick it up so high, and just stop it if you want to on the string staccato, because we can play both spiccato, staccato. Remember, spiccato, we start and stop the note with the bow in the air. Staccato, we start and stop the note with the bow on the string. So we can play this staccato if it's slow enough. Ta, 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 ta. Don't ever be afraid of playing and sing along with what you're playing. I have students that, they sing as they play. It's kind of, I laugh inside, don't laugh at them. But I think it's great, and it helps to connect with the music. And maybe doing this will help you connect your prior skill set of playing a wind instrument with the cello.